Come on, baby. You actually, yeah, I think you're going to want to actually place. I know, and you're getting close here again. Just come over just a tad more. Try to put your tire, put it right there. If we don't make it that way, yeah, and then turn into it. Yeah, right, just like that. Come on, winch. There we go. There you go. Looking good. If you could just get up over it, yeah, you'll be good. You got, yeah. Yeah, when you lock it in, it sucks. Yeah.
That's why it's flexible.
Yeah, yeah, nail that. There you go. There we go. Hey Mike, watch that rear corner. You're good. You watching? Okay. That's okay. You're good, John. You're good. There you go.
You're probably really smoking right now.
It's just the power steering fluid.
I'm really smoking out there.
Keep going, buddy. You look great.
You want to go front video coming down? Or
You betcha, I will. Sure. Yeah, the power steering fluid leaks out of the dipstick.
That's his exhaust. Just pour it out.
Stop right there for a second. Yeah. Go for it. You're good. Nice. Very good.